A beautiful. Alright, let's take a look at our room. Damn, it's dark in here. Should I turn on the light?
Yeah. What's up, man? What's happening? Yep. Let's get out, man. Got our PS3 up in here.
Oh, that's nice.
A little
How
TV,
much is
I know
it?
it ain't much, but yeah, something just to see on. Yeah, me and my boy right here. We about to hit the game, man. About to have a one-on-one challenge. We got all these shit right here. We got a Call of Duty 5 World at War. We got that Silent Hill shit. What you know about that shit, man? We got that Godfather.
Dude, can I borrow that?
Yeah, man. You got a PS3?
No.
Well, I can't let you borrow the system, but I can let you borrow the game, though.
Okay.
But yeah, we got all that shit. We got that Battlefield shit. Fight Night Round 3. Yeah. Got that COD 4. Yeah, me and my niggas about to hit this shit, man. We got that Grand Theft Auto 5-4 shit. You know, I don't play that much, but yeah. So yeah, we're about to hit the jackpot.
How many controllers do you got?
We got like about 1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, you guys must be rich.
Nah, man. Hey, that shit. Yeah. They hit you a little music, man. You can take a look around in the room, feel me? We got all kinds.
Ooh, look at the Christmas lights. Ooh, look at the tiger. Ooh, look at the rags. Ooh, forgive.
Me and my boy about to hit this game, feel me? What you know about this shit? Huh? What you know about that, man? Alright, man, we about to put this shit on.
Woo, that's pretty. Check this out. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that.
Alright, man, I'm gonna need you to get out of my way, man. Me and my boy here trying to hit this game, man.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Wanna get next after me?
Sure.
Alright, you get next after me.
Resume game.
I never played this game before, so take it easy on me.
Alright, man, I got you. Alright, yeah, we about to start the game right now. Feel me?
I farei, vou te dar.
People used to live here. Now it's a ghost town.
So how much was this game?
That shit was like 50 some bucks, like 58, 54, so.
Get a closer look. Ooh, pretty couch.
Alright, man. We're about to start this game, man. Real quick. I'm gonna get to you next, though. We're ready to play this shit. Alright, I'm gonna let this guy use this control. We wanna be first player and shit.
Wow, look at the graphics. So, who's first player and who's second player?
I'm second, man. This guy's first. Oh, man! Got that guy. Shit, it's not on me.
Let's get a closer look.
I'm gonna bet you I'll bet you $20 right now. Come on, if I lose, I give you $20.
Yeah.
Ooh.
$20 on the line. Alright, man, we gotta get this shit interesting, man. Come on. Come on, let's get this, man. Snipe it! Ooh. Oh! Yeah, he's second player, I'm first.
Oh, okay. So Forgive is first player.
I know I seem to be losing now, shit. Let me see. That's right.
So you're the guy on the top and he's the guy on the bottom.
Yeah, man.
Alright, everybody got it now. Okay, so okay, that's Forgive. That's the one who made the bet. Ooh, okay, he got a kill.
Oh, nigga just pistol my ass. Nah, man. That nigga just pistol my ass. Ooh. Come on, man.
Looks like Forgive losing.
Ah, snap. Oh, nigga got me with his airstrike, man. That nigga just hit me with a freaking airstrike. Hey, hold on. Get this guy right. Yeah, got you, ass nigga. Again. Got me with a grenade. Come on.
Forgive score. Forgive 15.
Welcome back. Got your ass, nigga. What's up? Come on, let's get it. Wow. Like that. Ah, shit. Yeah, what's up, cuz? Got your ass, nigga. Oh, wait, you got my ass. What the hell? I'm tripping. I thought I was at the top. Shit. Cheating, man.